Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Saya Seri. And this occasion, I want to recording that's a tutorial that's about the EIGRP, Enchanted Inter Gateway Routing Protocol. And this video, I want to configuration that the basic configuration EIGRP and then the distribution list to the EIGRP. Okay, we start now. And for first, we can open the PNet if in the or even VirtualBox, and then open the node, adding the router that is Cisco UL. This one. Okay, and then we're gonna to add two router. Okay. Now, so we're gonna to connect it that and then save it. No story. Then we're waiting for this one, like this one. He will become a green or that's a gray one, and then we just click it, open it. Okay. Okay. For the first it was for the first interface. Let's do like this one, the black. Just enter it, and then after enter it, we were just waiting. Before he was because that's the router is render from the start. We just power on the router, and he will be like this one, the system configuration dialog, and just take it. No, okay, then enter. Okay, okay, and there's the text like this. Press return to get stuck. Just enter it. Enable for getting the end to the router. Then for the configuration terminal. Okay, this is the model of configuration. Yes, we can adding the sum of uh, feature or just like that. Okay, for the first one, we gotta to add the interface header 0/0, then IP address 12.12.12.1, and then 255. Then don't forget to adding the subnet mask. Subnet mask is /24, like this one. Just enter, and then no shutdown. The function of the shutdown is just the first we start. You can see this one. Start the router. The interface is non-active because we the router is not uh, configured, and we must do adding no shutdown is for the interface is active, and there now become the off. Okay, IP address 12.12.12.2, then 255, then 0, no shutdown. Okay, for checking this the IP address is connected to the router one. Just do ping 12.12.12.1. Okay, as you can see, this is successful. Okay, I will try again. It will be the 200%. Yes. This meaning is we connect to the router one to the router two, just like one network. Okay, and then we're gonna to adding the uh, EIGRP 12, and then don't forget to adding the interface to back to IP address 2 2 and in Appleback is using the slash the subnet mask is slash 24 slash 32. Yeah. Okay, go back to the router EIGRP 12 and post network network 2222 then 0.0. Okay. The network uh 12 12 12 0 0 0 0 0 155 and then now auto summary. Okay, the function of this one network is 12 12 12 0. This is the sum of the network that's in the router one, just like if we configuration 12 12 12 1, it's just like to going to reach the network 1, but the reach network 3, maybe there's 3 then 12 12 3, and we're gonna not connect it because there is just the 12 12 1. Okay, like that. Okay, and this one the back address 111 155 okay, exit router EIGRP 12 in router EIGRP must same, yeah, just like the router EIGRP 12 and the router 2 router EIGRP 12 too. Okay, network 111 0000 network 12 12 12 0 155. Okay, now auto summary. Okay, and as you can see is okay, we're gonna do so IP root. Okay, this one is the D. That meaning is EIGRP. Or C is connected and then L is the local. Okay, now we're gonna do adding the distribute list. We're gonna add the IP load back in here. Interface back one. IP address is 192.168.10 and then 1. 105, and then 0. This we using the prefix is size 24. The first back to IP address 192.168.12 and then 1 155 155 155 5 and 0. Okay, exit. Okay, we done. You got to giving the access list to, from the router too. And for this service list is for the filtering. What there are some method is using for filter IP just that, like the IP 110 is one to into router 2, but the access list is permit just 12 20, and the IP tail is not unable to connect to the router 2. Okay, now we're gonna do access list one permit 100. We're gonna to permit 10 uh, we're gonna to permit it. Oh, I think deny is block here. That's 190. Oh yeah, before that we're gonna do do so IP root. Yeah, you can see there is no network. We're gonna do adding the network first. I forget it. Network 122, 168, 0, 0/0. Okay, now auto summary. Exit, and then you can see IP root. Oh yeah, I forget for the what the subnet mask. Just we can uh, input the manually to network 192, 168, 10, and 0. Then just enter it. We can get to network 192, 168, 12, 0, 0, 0, 0, slash 355. Okay, now auto summary. Exit. Do as IP root. Okay, 192, 168. Do as IP root. Okay, this one. As you can see, there is the IP loopback or IP address in the router 2 with the status is EIGRP. And then we're gonna to giving access to this one deny 192, 168, 0, 0, 0, and then don't forget for the subnet mask is subnet mask, and then 155, 155, and then access list one permit any. Yeah, just like that. And then go to the router EIGRP 12 distribute list in. Okay, distribute list in, distribute list. Oh my god, distribute list one in. Yeah, one in either 0/0. Okay, that's it. And then gonna to check so IP root. Oh yeah, it is still good. Oh yeah, this, if there is something system like this one, it will be changed. And before we will show that the notification show it. I just checking it. You can see this one. There's still the IP loopback, and then if their system show that notification like this, it will be got. The system like the distributor is for the blocking or the permit what they want to for the IP address, IP loopback or just like that. Okay, maybe that's all for me for this one video IT tutorial, the part one of the video IT tutorial. Okay, maybe just that. And I'm sorry if there are mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And next you guys in the next video. Bye guys.